Hi, I'm Hugh Mitchum, Chief Executive Officer of Eastern Organic Compounds. We believe in helping the environment, not putting waste into landfills, but utilizing waste to make rich organic black dirt, which helps the atmosphere, it helps plant nutrients, it helps our bodies when we eat healthier nutrient plants, even corn for the grain for the cows to eat, because eventually when we eat the cow or drink the milk, we are getting hazardous material into our body. And if we can avoid that, we're going to have a much healthier life and a quality of life. We want to create healthy waterways, rivers, lakes, prevent toxins and bad chemicals from getting in our water aquifers. We'd like to have healthier air to breathe. We feel that the things that we are doing with Eastern Organic Compounds creates a better environment and a healthier place for all of us to live. Our mission is realizing that we have been chosen as the stewards of the earth. We must accept the existence of our forefathers and protect the future of our offspring. We have cost-effective methods that eliminate waste while creating nutritious black dirt for the agricultural industry. This will enhance crop yields while eliminating chemical buildup in the land and water. While improving the environment, Eastern Organic Compounds is creating jobs in a sluggish economy, helping to clean our water aquifers and improving the food quality at the same time, decreasing medical expenses by eliminating many illnesses. Eastern Organic Compounds has developed the technology for handling all types of waste, from household garbage, sewage, industrial, forestry, and agricultural waste, at the same time helping the environment. Eastern Organic Compounds is the answer for large manufacturing facilities and industrial plants to manage their waste and not put them in landfills, but turn it into rich black dirt to leave a green footprint on society. All the fiberboard industries use formaldehyde in their glue to make the fiberboard stick together. Rather than putting this into a landfill and letting that leach into our water aquifers, we are much better off taking our microbes and turning it into black rich dirt and not putting it in a landfill. We have solutions for power companies to get rid of their old power poles, for railroads to get rid of their cross ties, in a safe way that we can not harm the environment by treating them and turning them into compost. We also have an obligation to the fish and animals throughout our nation. These plants that are dumping hazardous materials in our rivers, we need to work with them, keep from harming these lakes and rivers, and create green pastures and farmland. In our photo section, you'll see several photographs. One is a dairy cow. Dr. Carpenter took 300 cows that had died in the dairy, put the inoculates on them, and within 21 days, the microbes had digested all of the bones, teeth, every part of the cow. It made great compost. Use that compost to create a garden, and you'll see a 18-inch squash leaf. These are just regular little yellow squash that he had planted in this gentleman's garden, and within 6 weeks the leaves were that healthy and that large. You'll see also radish with a yardstick showing how big it had gotten in 6 weeks. Dr. Carpenter had a little cup of compost left. He streamed out the word bio on the grass. The gentleman called him a week later and said, "That grass is growing real green and 3 inches higher than anywhere else in my yard." A year later, Dr. Carpenter pulled up in his driveway and could still see the bio and the healthiness of that grass and took the photo you'll see. The gentleman's yard also had some flowers, and his neighbor beside him was built and landscaped by the same landscaper at the same time. Dr. Carpenter put some of our compost in his flower bed, and you can see the results between the flowers on the left, which have compost, and the flowers on the right that did not have the compost. As you can see, the photograph demonstrates how healthy the flower plants and any of the plants that use our compost, they get the nutrients and they make a better vegetable or whatever it is they're growing, and it's better for our environment and better for us to eat and enjoy. Our company is dedicated to this process and concept. Will you please team up with us and preserve the future for us all?